Hello everyone, welcome to my video and this is Ritesh once again guys. So could you please guess who are they guys? Actually guys, I was recording a video and after recording the video they told me that uh, Ritesh, we would like to know about you and about your English journey. So I told everything to them, and I told them that let's make a video with all of you. So now I'm gonna introduce you to them. Actually, they're my elders, so I'm just gonna ask their names. Okay. Brother, may I know your name? আপনার নাম কি?
রুল আমিন
Okay. And what's your name, brother? আপনার নাম কি?
ইমরান আউয়া
আপনার নাম কি?
শাওন
Okay. আপনার নাম কি?
আফসার
Okay. So they were playing football, as you can see the ball. So whatever, thank you very much for watching my video and have a great time. Bye bye.